Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Dodge Ram tail light bulb. First, ensure your truck is parked safely on a level surface and the engine is off. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Having these items ready makes the process much smoother and quicker. Let's get started with the removal process. Now, open your truck's tailgate to give yourself ample room to work. You will see two retaining screws on the inner edge of the tail light assembly. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove both of these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the truck body, to release it. With the tail light assembly free, you can now access the bulb sockets. Identify the bulb you need to replace. Twist the specific bulb socket counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing. Gently pull the old bulb straight out of its socket. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Push it firmly into the socket. Once the new bulb is in place, twist the socket clockwise to secure it back into the tail light housing. Align the tail light assembly with the mounting holes on your truck and push it firmly into place. Reinsert and tighten the two retaining screws you removed earlier. Finally, turn on your truck's lights to test the new bulb's functionality. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to that book and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.